हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे रैशनल नंबर जो क्लास 10 में हमें पढ़ने हैं। क्लास 10 में एक छोटी सी टॉपिक है रैशनल एंड इरैशनल नंबर्स। तो हम लोग रैशनल नंबर के बारे में जानते हैं। कोई भी नंबर अगर p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में हम लिखते हैं, एनी नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p बाई क्यू where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. Any number in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. कोई भी नंबर अगर हम p by q के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर अगर 0 ना हो तो हम उसे रैशनल नंबर बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन p और q इंटीजर्स होना चाहिए। अगर p एंड q को हम इंटीजर्स नहीं लेते हैं तो फ्रैक्शन भी हो सकता है। तो all fractions are rational number, but all rational numbers may not be fraction, because in fraction p and q should be always a positive number, because fraction can never be negative, but rational number may be positive or negative. So in rational number then we express decimal expansions, because any rational number can be expressed in the form of decimal also. So decimal expansion of rational numbers, it may be terminating or it may not be terminating. That means it may be non-terminating. Also in case of non-terminating there are two cases. Either that number will be repeating or that may be non-repeating. So in case of decimal expansion, any rational number can be expressed in the form of decimal, but that decimal expansion may be terminating or non-terminating. It may be repeating or non-repeating. So let us see what is the condition of the terminating. Any number can be terminating only if, or any rational number can be terminating only if q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Let us see with examples. This number, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 2 to 8 to the 16, 5 to 80. And it can also be written in the form of 2 to the power 4 into 5. Since the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m is 4 and n is 1, so it can be said as terminating. Now, if it is terminating, then we can find the decimal places also. So see students, let us see what is the power of 2 and 5 and which is maximum. So in case of 2 it is 4, in case of 5 it is 1. So maximum power is 4. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर 2 की पावर 4 और 5 की पावर 1 है तो जिसकी पावर अधिक है उतना ही डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन के बाद वो नंबर टर्मिनेट करेगा. That means we can say that after 4 decimal places this number can be terminating. Also we can express in the form of decimals. How? 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. This is our given condition. तो अगर 2 की पावर 4 है तो हम 5 की पावर को भी 4 बनाते हैं. वो कैसे संभव है? 5 की पावर 1 और 5 का और हम 3 पावर मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. If we multiply in the denominator, then also we have to multiply in numerator also. So it becomes 5 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. So this can be written as 125 by 10 to the power 4. Why? 2 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4. So 2 into 5, 10 to the power 4. And what will be the decimal expansion of this? 0.0125. After decimal there should be 4 digits, but we have only 3 digits, so we have put 0 here. So it becomes 0.0125. That means in case any question is said that you have to find the decimal expansion and after how many decimal places it will be terminating, then first check whether it is terminating or not. If it is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m, then it is terminating. Then we can find after how many decimal places it will be terminating. It can be find out by seeing the power of 2 and 5. Whichever be the greater, that will be the number of decimal places of the given rational number. Similarly, we can find decimal form also. Second one, let us see 19 by 1 3125. So we can write 19 by 3125 means 5 to the power 5 5 ja 25, 25 to ja 125, 125 to ja 625, 625 into 5, that is 3125. So it becomes 5 to the power 5. Now here only 5 is there. If 2 is not there, that means 2 to the power 0 is here. Now after 5 decimal place it will terminate. This is terminating, no doubt this is terminating, because it is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Secondly, it will terminate after 5 decimal places. It will terminate after 5 decimal places because 5 has the maximum power, that is 5. Now let us write decimal expansion. Since it is 5 to the power 5, so there must be 2 to the power 5 also. So write here 2 to the 5. Why we have written? We have multiplied 2 to the power 5 in numerator and denominator both. Then we can write 19 into 32 by 10 to the power 5. So 19 into 32 by 10 to the power 5, that is 608 by 10 to the power 5. So it has 10 to the power 5. So what will the decimal expansion here? It should be 0.00608. Why? Because 10 to the power 5 means after decimal place there should be 5 digit. Here it is 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. So we have write 2 zeros also here. So it becomes 0.00608. Now third one, this can be written as 7 into 5 to the power 3 into 7. First of all, we should find whether it is terminating or non-terminating. See children, looking at the denominator only, you will say that it is non-terminating, but at the same time we have to see the numerator also, whether this will be divided or not. Since in this case the numerator 7 is divided by the denominator 7, so first of all we have to write it in the simplest form. It should be written in the simplest form. Then after we check whether it is terminating or non-terminating. Here it becomes now it is terminating, that is 5 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 3. So it can be written as 1 by 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. It is terminating because in denominator it is 5. So it can be written as this form, 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 3, anything to the power 0 is 1. So it is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is terminating. After how many decimal place it will terminate? After 3 decimal place it will terminate. Now we have to find the decimal expansion. So since 5 to the power 3 is here, so we have to write 2 to the power 3 also. So we multiply 2 to the power 3 in the denominator, at the same time we multiply in the numerator also. It becomes 8 by 10 to the power 3. So we can now say that after many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So since it has only one digit, 8 has only one digit, so we can write 0.008. In this way we can find after how many decimal places any rational number will terminate. Second, what will be the decimal expansion of that number. So this kind of question may be asked in the examination.